The Livescribe Symphony Smart Pen can be a powerful tool to help you digitally save the notes you've taken while linking them to the audio in your class, so you won't miss a thing. After connecting the Smart Pen to your mobile device, you can record what Livescribe calls a pencast, a recording, like a video of your notes, that will play back the classroom audio while showing you what you were writing in the notebook. When class is ended, you can watch the pencast to review your notes and quickly jump to the parts you want to hear again. Let's take a look together. When you receive your pen, you will find the following items in the box: the Livescribe Symphony Smart Pen, a small tablet of Livescribe Smart Paper, a USB cable, and a replacement ink cartridge. You can use the USB cable to charge the Smart Pen by plugging it into a computer for 30 minutes to an hour, and after that, it should be ready for class. Should the ink run dry, you can use the pen cap to pull the old ink cartridge out and replace it with a new one. Let's take a look at the Smart Pen itself to get to know its features. At the top of the pen, you'll find a micro USB port that's used for charging, and at the tip of the pen, you'll find the pen cap, which is used to tell the pen when you're using it and protect the ink from drying out. This also protects a small camera that tells the pen where you are on the page. To keep the pen safe and functional and keep the battery from running out, replace this cap each time you use it. On the face of the pen, you'll see a small LED that changes color to let you know if it's connected to your mobile device and to tell you the battery status. The light will be solid blue when it's paired with your mobile device, and it will change to solid orange when it needs to be charged. Let's pair the Livescribe Symphony with our mobile device now. You'll first need to find the Livescribe Plus app in the App Store on iPhone or on the Google Play Store on Android and install it. This is what the app page looks like in each marketplace. Once it's installed and you've opened it up for the first time, it will ask you to pair it with your Smart Pen. Let's open the provided Livescribe Smart Paper tablet, where you can find instructions on pairing your Livescribe Symphony for the first time, and a small symbol to pair your Livescribe Symphony with your mobile device. Just tap the device pairing symbol, and you'll see the light on the pen begin to pulse blue. Just like that. The Livescribe Plus app should find the pen quickly and ask if you'd like to connect to the Symphony Smart Pen. Select Pair Pen. You may see an activation pop up next, but you can select Skip to move on. Along with your Smart Pen, you will also receive a Livescribe dot paper notebook. This notebook contains paper that is printed with small dots all over the page that tell the pen where it is and what page you're writing on. The first time you use this notebook, tap the small gray seal on the cover to tell the pen that this is the notebook that you'll be using. You should see on your phone a message that says, "To archive the notebook, please write on a notebook page," and then you'll be ready to use it. On each page, you will find that there are some symbols that you can tap to tell your Smart Pen what you would like it to do. For now, let's focus on the record, pause, and stop symbols at the bottom left corner of each page. When you are ready to begin taking notes, tap the record symbol with the Smart Pen to begin recording. You will see a red bar appear on the app to let you know that it has begun.
Solid green. Smart Pen is on and can be used, but is not currently connected to any Bluetooth-enabled device.
If you need to pause the recording for a class break or any other reason, you can tap the pause symbol and it will be ready to resume when you touch the record or pause symbol again. You can still write notes while the recording is paused, but it will not link your notes to the audio.
Solid blue. Smart Pen is connected via Bluetooth to a smartphone or tablet device.
Now I'll resume.
Solid orange. Low battery, needs charging. Smartpen battery life is at 20%. At 5% battery level, the pen shuts down automatically with a beep and will not capture notes.
When you are finished taking notes, tap the stop symbol with your Smartpen to stop the recording. Once you have completed your note-taking and are ready to review your notes, you can press play in the application to hear the audio that was recorded when you were writing. Let's try it. I have my cell phone open here, and here I can see the page I was writing on when we recorded the pencast. I'm going to click Pencast, and then press play to hear it.
Solid green. Smartpen is on and can be used, but is...
Here you can see the green writing matches the pen strokes that I was writing while the application was recording. We can touch anywhere in our notes to skip to that point in the recording as well. Let's skip to solid orange.
Solid orange. Low battery, needs charging.
And now you're ready to start using the Livescribe Symphony Pen.